Oh, hey, didn't see you there. My name's Isaac Diaz, and today is January 30th, 2021, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about the University of California, Riverside's plant biology graduate program. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll understand that this is the plant biology program for you. Hello, here we are at UCR Citrus Variety Collection, one of the largest collections of citrus and their wild relatives in the whole world. This collection serves as an immense reservoir of genetic diversity for citrus breeders so that we can continue to develop superior cultivars for this growing industry in California. If you're watching this video, then I'm assuming that you're interested in plants enough to admire the incredible phenotypic diversity that's represented by this collection. Like this citron known as Buddha's hand with these crazy finger-like structures on the fruit. And what's interesting about this one is there's actually no juice in it at all. It's like all completely flesh on the inside. It's a wild relative of citrus, trifoliate, which is used for rootstock breeding because of its disease tolerance. And you can see, if you come a little bit closer, it has these massive thorns. And this is a pomelo. And like these wild relatives of citrus that have been recently studied by Hailing Jin's group here at UCR, where they discovered a novel peptide that is able to kill the bacteria that infects many citrus varieties and has decimated the industry in Florida. In the Seymour lab here at UCR, we have joined a revolution.
Not this type of revolution.
The genomics revolution, in which plummeting costs and next-generation sequencing has empowered us to explore the genetic diversity in this collection so that we can develop more advanced cultivars while furthering our understanding of genome evolution in citrus. Personally, I'm grateful to have found a lab that makes me feel a greater sense of purpose beyond just getting a PhD. I enjoy knowing that citrus growers in Southern California are interested in our research and that the citrus industry provides thousands of jobs for Californians. With that being said, I would recommend considering how joining a lab at UCR will provide you with a greater sense of fulfillment. This can come in the form of communication with farmers, outreach to local schools, commitment to inclusion initiatives. It can also come in the form of finding a supportive mentor who encourages curiosity and creative approaches when it comes to lab research. So, as you might know, graduate school can be a stressful time. And because of that, you want to have a healthy work-life balance. And sometimes you're going to want to explore, pick up a new hobby, go somewhere exciting. And so UCR is great because it's so close to like the mountains. For example, today we decided to go snowboarding. So part of getting accustomed to a new place, like a new graduate school, is picking up a new hobby and being a little bit more adventurous.
Hello again. So one last thing I wanted to talk about, which is very important to consider when choosing a graduate program, is funding, especially now when COVID has created a financial burden on many universities throughout the country. At UCR's plant biology program, you have the opportunity to apply for an NSF research traineeship program, which would provide a very competitive fellowship. This program, which is called the Plants 3D program, is an interdisciplinary program that fosters collaboration between plant biologists and engineers so that we can collaborate to solve problems in modern agriculture. As a Plants 3D fellow, I had the opportunity to learn from experts in the realm of biotechnology, and as we learned about new and emerging trends and technology. So this program recruits early career scientists from diverse research areas, and it's really fun because we all get together and talk about cool ideas related to manipulating plant pathogen resistance, plant phenology, and even creating valuable phytochemicals in microbes as opposed to in plants. And so this brings me to the most important part of the training provided by this program, which is where we learn to assess the feasibility of a research venture. So in this program, we take exciting ideas that are really fun to talk about, and we ask, is there a market? Is there a market for this product? How much will the input materials, research and development, and regulation cost relative to the expected income? And we also like to ask, like, is there space for generating new intellectual property? So after taking this course, the course that's associated with the fellowship program, I now have a greater mindset, greater entrepreneurial mindset. And so this allows me to look for new and interesting ideas when I'm reading papers. Although it may be unrelated to my immediate research project, it's still good to think about so that you can prepare for the future, and you may see something that no one else is noticing in the realm of biotechnology. And lastly, this program provides funding for advancing your professional development. So as you may know, in the United States, there is currently a overproduction of PhDs. And so it's very important that you prepare yourself for the job market so that you can remain competitive and prepare yourself. And so one important part of this program is the funding they provide for conference travel, and also funding for doing an internship at a company that you arrange this internship with. So this will allow you to do a lot of networking. So you want to expand your network so that you will have these connections